everybody. We are coming at you live and direct from BookCon. Lulu author Omar Epps will be signing at our booth, and we were lucky enough to be able to talk to him a little bit about his book and his publishing journey. So let's take a listen.
My name is Omar Epps. I'm an actor and a writer, and now I'm an author. I wrote a book called From Fatherless to Fatherhood. It's a memoir about my life growing up without a father and then becoming a father, and I self-published it with Lulu.
So what made you decide to self-publish?
When I went the traditional route, the business just didn't make sense to me, to be honest with you. And I researched, and I found Lulu, and I was like, wow, this is pretty cool. Like you kind of, take the bull by the horns and gamble on yourself. And I gotta say, they've been amazing throughout this whole process. Very informative, on time and up to par, professionally. So I'm excited.
Well, that's wonderful to hear. So what really motivated you to write this book?
Well, years back, actually 8 years ago, I had a moment with my son that sparked this whole thing. It made me reflect on my life, my childhood. It made me reflect on my manhood and my fatherhood. And I was inspired to write this book. And I just want to be able to reach people, men and women, but especially men, just about, being a father and what does family mean and those responsibilities and these connections that we have with our children are so amazing. And hopefully my book can be used as a tool to inspire.
So for the folks that will be picking up your book today and as people discover it, what do you hope they take away from the book and what do you hope they learn?
I just hope to strike a chord within the readers' hearts, and I hope that my story resonates in their life in a visceral way. And at the end, I just hope it inspires them. So it doesn't matter if someone's doing a good job at their fathering, great. Salute to you. Keep doing your thing. If someone has gone off the rails in their fathering, hopefully this book can spark that, and just for women and mothers to have a deeper understanding of, men who grow up without fathers and how that, translates into your fatherhood. So.
Now that you've written this book, what have you learned through the process?
That's a great question. I don't know if I learned something new about myself, but the process of writing is amazing. I mean, it's a challenge. I write screenplays and things of that nature, so the book format was a massive challenge, but my intent, I wanted it to come across like a conversation. I don't want the reader to feel like they're reading a book. I want them to feel like, you come to Brooklyn, get in the car, and you're riding around with me, and I'm just telling you my story.
So tell people where they can find this book.
People can find the book on lulu.com, of course, from fatherless to fatherhood.org. It's also available on amazon.com and barnesandnobles.com.
Well, thank you so much, Mr. Epps. Is there anything else you'd like to share while you got it?
Peace, love, and happiness.
It's a great message. Well, thank you, guys.
Thank you.